It was nice to discuss and on the very relevant topic and along with my industry peers. So it was a great experience and very learned audience. So on one side, technology is changing very fast, and on second side, the generation's expectations are changing very fast, and we have to keep up the pace and to synchronize these two. Any technology transformation, it has its own complication and dynamics, and with changing expectation, changing features. So that has to match, number one, and number two, the kind of product every institution is offering, that has to be relevant to the changing needs of the customer. So these are the challenges before each institution, and they are trying to cope up with it. And I think that is very successfully. So there are few things that we are looking into. First, on the product side. On the product side, we are making product for different needs and different segments. Even we are working on the social inclusion so that a smaller ticket size and we can increase our presence in the hinterland also. Number two, the channels of service through which we provide, because it is not possible to serve the large mass with physical presence only. So on digital presence and digital assets, many self services that we are offering to customer, and we are trying to pull them. And third thing, to connect with the customer, we are working on the accessibility part and the multi-language part. So in different, whether it is written communication or other, that is a journey that we have undertaken, and I hope that we will be able to serve the mass land of India. There is change a little bit, but still it is mostly sold. It is not purchased, but by definition, it is a subject matter of solicitation. So this is the contradiction that industry is dealing with. But if you see now, the way of selling the insurance, that is changing, especially in general insurance, because there is so much that comes into different form and format. So now you can see that it is being sold along with many main product also as a surrogate product. If you go do online buying, along with that insurances, the option is given. So I think this is one format that is going to effectively cover the large need. And for other things, the education level that we need to educate the masses, that has to come, and I think our regulator is also doing a great deal in this regard. Luckily, we are having especially insurance sector, we are having a very strong regulator. Secondly, they are very open to technology. And they are not only opening up by changing the rules as per changing times, but also helping out by providing different platforms. So right now you would have heard, after coming of our new chairman, there are many initiatives being taken, and that is also time bound, something like Bima Sugam platform, Bima Vistar, Bima Vahak. So all these initiatives are aimed with the target to cover everyone by 2047. Okay, so that is, our regulator is a great help in this regard.